Hello friends, this is Amishi.Honawar and I'm going to show you today a wonderful dish called लहसुनी आलू which is ढाबा स्टाइल। अगर आपके कोई कुकिंग चैनल हो और अगर आपने लहसुनी आलू की रेसिपी नहीं बताई तो फिर कुछ मतलब ही नहीं होता है। तो अमीश किचन में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूँ Amishi.Honawar और आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट, बहुत ही टेस्टी लहसुनी आलू। Well, friends, we are going to make lasuni aloo, which is garlic potato, in a nice gravy, which is dhaba style. And let us do it with a lot of love and enjoy the cooking also. तो आइए दोस्तों, लहसुन और आलू की हम रेसिपी थोड़ी देर में शुरू करेंगे, लेकिन इसके पहले मैं आपको लहसुन के कुछ फ़ायदे, बहुत ही फ़ायदे हैं, वो आपको बताना चाहूँगी। और आपसे ये गुजारिश करूँगी कि आप मेरा वीडियो जहाँ तक हो सके उतने लोगों से शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी पता चलेगा। लहसुन खाते तो हम बहुत लोग हैं, लेकिन हमें पता नहीं है कि इसमें कितने सारे गुण हैं। तो ये आप मेरा वीडियो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, मुझे लिखिए कि आपको मेरे वीडियो पसंद आते हैं कि नहीं, कुछ सुधार चाहिए आपको, कुछ और सुनना चाहते हैं, और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलिए। Ladies and gentlemen, kindly get into the description box and see the benefits of this recipe and enjoy the dish. Like, comment and subscribe for my channel in the name of Amishi.Honawar. Thank you so very much. Well friends, today I am talking about garlic and its benefits. Modern science has confirmed the beneficial health effects of garlic. Garlic is a popular ingredient in cooking due to its strong smell and delicious taste. Of course, it gives a bad odor from the mouth, but look at its medicinal qualities. And it has lots of health benefits, and scientists say that it is due to the sulfur compounds formed when it is chopped, chewed, or it is crushed. One clove, a small clove which is maybe 3 grams of garlic, it contains iron, B1, vitamins, B6, C, selenium, and lots of fiber, potassium, copper, phosphorus. So garlic can combat sicknesses including common cold and flu. It is supposed to be tamsi in nature, they say, but it also helps in these kind of illnesses. It reduces the blood pressure. It is a very good antioxidant. It removes the bad cholesterol, and it prevents the cardiac diseases like strokes and heart attacks, which are the greatest killers in the world today, apart from COVID, of course. And garlic is an immunity booster. So if you have COVID, you must try and include garlic in your diet. Lot of people do not include garlic because of restrictions or religious reasons in India, but it is just a suggestion that instead of popping up garlic pills which you are not aware of, which may contain garlic, it is better to take it in the natural form. Ultimately, it is an Ayurvedic herb. It has a lot of antioxidant qualities, and it prevents diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. It helps you live longer. So, apart from this, I am putting a slide also. Kindly go through it and enjoy the dish, the lasuni aloo. It has lot of garlic in it, and of course, the aloo, which is the potato, also has lot of starch and carbohydrate. And basically, we are not frying it. We are first pressure cooking the potatoes, and then we are using it in oil. So it is not so unhealthy. Plus, it is really delicious. Watch my video till the end. Make this dish, and I'm sure your family and you will enjoy the dish, the taste, and the medical and health benefits of garlic. So, friends, definitely like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share it with all your friends, because जो भी अच्छी बात होती है वो शेयर करनी चाहिए, है ना? So watch the video right up to the end. This is Amishi.Honawar signing off, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching my video and always being with me. I shall wait for your comments and your likes. Thank you. Well, the additional benefits of garlic are that it is an antioxidant, it reduces the blood pressure, it detoxifies heavy metals in the body, and it also promotes and improves bone health. How does it improve? By minimizing the bone loss by increasing the estrogen levels in females, and it helps the patients in osteoporosis, osteoarthritis. I have been one of the patients, so I know that things like ragi, garlic, calcium in the natural form like milk or curds help. So why not use the natural form rather than taking pills? It is easy to include garlic in the diet, and it definitely complements most of the savory dishes and adds a punch to the otherwise bland recipes. It improves the sex drive in females by increasing the libido, and increases the potency in males. आइए शुरू करते हैं रेसिपी। तो आलू को लीजिए और उसको प्रेशर कुक कर दीजिए। प्रेशर कुक द पोटैटोज एंड रिमूव द स्किन। अब एक मिक्सर लेना है और उसमें हमें पीसने के लिए डालना है लाल सूखी हुई मिर्च, बहुत सारी लहसुन की कलियां और धोए हुए टमाटर। लेट अस ऐड सम टमेटोज, सम गार्लिक क्लव्स एंड रेड चिलीज इन अ मिक्सर एंड ग्राइंड एंड मेक अ पेस्ट। आइए अब हम तड़के की शुरुआत करते हैं। तो एक कढ़ाई में लीजिए थोड़ा सा घी, उसमें डालिए लाल सूखी हुई मिर्च, लहसुन, हींग, जीरा और उसको थोड़ा सा भूनिए। उसके बाद हम इसमें डालेंगे मसाले। मसाले यानी कि लाल मिर्च, हल्दी, धनिया जीरा पाउडर, गरम मसाला पाउडर, नमक स्वादानुसार। So viewers, let's get ready for the tadka. In a pan we will heat up oil, put some dried chilies, garlic cloves, cumin seeds, asafoetida, and we shall saute the mixer. Later on we can add the masalas, that is turmeric, red chili powder, dhania jeera powder, that is cumin and coriander powder, and salt as per your taste. Now add the previously grinded tomato gravy and add the boiled potatoes. अब आप वो टमाटर की ग्रेवी डाल सकते हैं और फिर वो जो पोटैटोज बॉईल करके रखे थे वो इसमें मिक्स कर दीजिए और अच्छे से उसको स्टर कीजिए। दोस्तों चॉइस आपकी है। अगर आप लहसुन यानी कि लहसुन नहीं खाते तो आप ये आलू टमाटर की सब्ज़ी भी बना सकते हैं बिना लहसुन ऐड किए। तो ये चॉइस आपके ऊपर है। इसको अच्छे से पकने दीजिए। लेट इट कुक फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 to 10 minutes and voila, your dish is ready to serve. Lasuni aloo, the delicious dish is ready. Just add some chopped coriander and it is ready to serve. Have it with rice, roti, parathas. अब आप इसको एक सर्विंग बोल में निकालिए, धनिया डालिए और इट इज़ बिल्कुल तैयार है आपकी डिश, आपकी लहसुनी आलू, और आप उसका आनंद उठाइए राइस, रोटी या पराठा के साथ। Wow, the lasuni aloo is just yummy. Trust me. See the benefits of garlic, see the benefits of potato. It definitely is a source of carbohydrates and it gives you energy and starch. And make this recipe, enjoy it. I'm sure your family will enjoy it and you will savor it. It is delicious. Thank you for watching my video. This is Amishi.Honawar signing off. Goodbye.